So in this video, I'm gonna tell you about the food delivery apps in Dubai, which is one of the greatest options to order nice, good food in the comfort of your place, on your bed, at your home as well. And two of my favorite ones are Deliveroo and Carriage. What I like about Deliveroo is that they have this option where you can have your address, and they will show you which restaurants are delivering offers. Here with offers, you have all the offers from different restaurants with discounts and everything. If there is a special offers, if there is free delivery, then you have really easily an option to get it received. Install Deliveroo or check the website on the link on this video, and you can have a lot of options to choose from. The other one is Carriage. It's also a very good one. You have or similar to Deliveroo. You enter your address, and then you have also different options around. If you have special offers, then they will give you all the different options you have available by the day. Some of them you can use a new code, you can use different promo or limited lunch offers or combo meals. It's very good. And what I like also from Carriage is that you can track your order, at which moment is it. Like if you track your order here, you'll be able to see in real life, in real time, where exactly your food is coming, and then you're gonna have it with you at home. That's one of the coolest features on Carriage, which at this moment I think, okay, let's say 7 minutes for my food to be delivered at home, and that's very cool. You can see in real life where the food is at the moment, which is pretty cool, right? And that's it. These are one of my two favorites food delivery apps and delivery options for food in Dubai. And there you go. Amazing Dubai, great view. It's the beach season right now, so perfect plan to get some nice food and then hit the beach, have some chill time, and love life in Dubai.